Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. We have a 1964 Plymouth Sport Fury. Beautiful southern car, finished in black. All original metal on this car. Beautiful straight body. Sitting on brand new tires. Under the hood, we got a 69 440. It's out of an AMX. It's an HO motor. Completely rebuilt. Power brakes, power steering, Highrise Manifold, Champion aluminum radiator, chrome alternator, brand new headers leading out to dual exhaust. It's got a 727 torque flight in it. Posi rear. Everything's new too. Shape, shocks, bushings, body mounts, everything. Fan on the aluminum radiator. Paint is beautiful on this car. This car just needs some finishing. We got a brand new interior. It's included. It's black. See, the floors are original. Beautiful shape. From what I'm told too, it's got all original metal in here. Added gauges. Center console. It's got a Hurst shifter with reverse lockout. Here today, guys. About 5,000 miles on the rebuild of the motor. The transmission is fresh, completely rebuilt. And same thing with the rear. The rear is 8 3/4, right? Posi? With 390 gears. Man, that's nice. A little lumpy. A little miles per hour there. Highrise Manifold. Kind of carburetor. What kind of car? And where the exhaust comes from is beautiful. PTI exhaust with an H-pipe. Can you knock it down? cold here, guys. She's running on choke. Whoops, there we go. There we go. Man, it smells so nice. This paint is magnificent. I mean, look at the reflection of that tree. Isn't that insane? Man, the paint's incredible on this car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from EV Autos. Feel free to give me a call when I'm 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, evautos.com. Thanks a lot.